How's it going, guys? Josh here. Gonna be doing another build video today. So what I have here is I have a fiberglass handle from a pickaxe that I broke, and seeing as though the handle is made out of fiberglass, it's practically like indestructible or whatever. So I'm gonna make a weapon out of it, and so far I don't know if you can see it that well on the camera, but I have it painted gray as a primer, and I'm going to get started with painting it a flat black. So let me get back to that, or screw it, I'm just going to paint it, guys. So I was like looking for some paint stripper and whatever, and found this guy. Forgot about this. Holy crap. So it appears we don't have any, like, I don't know. What I'm looking for really is called like varnish remover, and it like removes like, I don't know, pretty much anything, like paint and dirt and whatever. So I'm gonna go buy some. Yeah. Come on. I really wish there was a Home Depot like right down the street from me, but there's not, so I gotta, you know, go drive like 15 minutes to go find one. Whatever. So I was totally thinking, I was like, you know what? Why go to a Home Depot when I can go to like this place called Ace, which is like somewhat down the road from me. So I'm gonna go there. Not to mention, like, it's not a giant store, and I can find like pretty much anything in like 5 minutes flat. It's pretty nice. Like the place. On the road again. On the road again. That's the only lyrics I know. On the road again. There it is. Right down the road. Here we go. I'm gonna like totally butthole park it. Screw. Here we go. May not be on this side. Okie dokie, totally got it. Acetone. Yeah, that should work. I'm probably, I don't even think I told you guys why I need this stuff. Basically, I got like all these, like, I don't know, like, words and crap on the saw blade and all that. So I want to, like, try and get it off. Like, I want to leave the saw blade, like, how it is, but without the words and all that. Taking the really old and bumpy as all get up road back home. Because that's just how we do it. Do, 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 do. Woohoo! We're home. Okay, guys, so basically, I got all this, like, words and crap on the saw blade, and I don't want them on the saw blade. So that's why I got the acetone. And I should probably get, like, steel wool for this, but I don't have it. So I'm just gonna, like, do a lot of, my words, they're just not coming out today. But, basically, I'm just gonna put on the acetone, wipe it down, try and get all these, like, words off and whatever. And, by the way, use your protection, like, wear gloves, wear a mask, some eyeglasses, you know, just stuff like that. Because, this stuff can hurt. It's already, like, melting it off. Holy crap. That was just like a few seconds. Holy crap, that's pretty cool. Like, it did not take that long to wipe off at all. So now I'm gonna do the other side. You want to be careful here. Yeah. Yep, just a little bit of acetone, and that'll come right off. So while I'm letting this stuff like dry, I'm gonna like go ahead and put another coat of that flat black on the handle, and we'll go from there. Alright, so we got the blade, blah 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 blah. Like I said, words, they're just not working for me today. So, anyways, we got the blade all cleaned off. It's all sexy looking, very sexy indeed. I'm waiting for... Excuse me, I'm Batman. Yeah, so I'm like waiting for the second coat to dry, and that's when all the really dirty work comes into play. Because I gotta like line everything up and drill holes and bolts and make sure power tools don't attack me again. But should take about like 15 more minutes for this to dry. and we should be golden. Okay guys, so everything's pretty much painted up. I'm probably gonna like put a protective clear coat on it, because down here where I was like marking where the blade needed to go, kind of like scratched up the paint, so I'll probably end up like drilling the hole, making sure everything like fits up correct. Go over it again with another coat of flat black, and then put on the clear gloss, and then I'll assemble everything together. It's gonna look sexy. Okay guys, so I really screwed up. None of my batteries have a charge. Well, they did have a charge, but they both crapped out on me. So looks like this video is gonna be a two-parter. Yeah, two-parter. But yeah, really sorry, guys. It's only me filming things like off my phone, so I don't have like some fancy schmancy computer program to like make edits, and I don't have like a really fancy camera to like film stuff on. I don't even have a tripod. I mean, I guess I could like weld one up, but yeah, really sorry guys, but it's gonna be a two-part video. But thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Take care guys. Later.